Status anxiety is essentially the feeling we can get when we compare ourselves to others. The brand's saying we should spend more of our energy and our time on things that we really love rather than what we feel like we should do. We find that our customers really resonate with that brand message of simplicity and focusing on what really matters to them.
The brand fit with Status Anxiety feels very comfortable. The rise of their brand as a retailer as well as their cause is really inspirational, and we're really happy to align with them.
We've toyed with the idea of doing a camera strap for a little while. So when we were contacted by Canon, we were really excited about the opportunity to partner with them.
In partnership with Status Anxiety and our community of Canon photographers, we designed a limited edition leather camera strap. We share a very similar set of brand values. The strap itself has also been crafted with quality, so it's consistent with the Canon brand.
We believe we've created a great strap to complement the launch of the new Canon EOS R50, whether it be the quick release clips, the quality of the leather, the wider cut line around the neck for comfort. We think people are going to really like this strap.